In this video, we're going to talk about monetizing Wi-Fi through user engagement, more effectively using email or SMS marketing and redirect URL advertisement. When the user signs to the Wi-Fi, either through Facebook or social media or email registration or SMS registration, we will capture the user's profile. Then we can group them into different groups based on different criteria. So you can actually define very flexible criteria by gender, country, or interest. So I have created two groups, male and female, so you can list the users who are belonging to the male groups. So I have myself in here. So later I will use this to run targeted email campaigns. That means you want to broadcast the email to the male users only. So you come back to the user engagement. Under the email marketing, we already have a list of templates. So the templates defines different layouts where you can put in your email contents or promotions here. So if you like one of the template, you can just clone and modify from there to make your own email campaigns. Or you can create your own email campaigns from a blank page from here. So it's basically all text input. You don't need to have HTML coding skills. So once you have the template ready, then we are ready to run your email campaigns. So you can have different campaigns for different gender or different time of the day or different profile of users. So now I'm just going to run an email to male, for example. I'm going to go run a campaign to male users. So just select the template that you have already defined. Then you can say, give a message to say, hi guys, check out our promotions here. Then you can also schedule the email campaign to happen at different time or different date. Right now, I just say send immediately. So that will send this campaign to the male users. So again, go back to the male user group. I have myself here, so I'm just going to check my email now. So straight away, I received this email campaign. This is basically targeted user group campaigns. Just bear in mind, this is offline campaign. That means I can receive the email outside of the Wi-Fi venue. I can be anywhere. So as long as I have an email address, and the campaign can happen at any time. You can run this just one time, you send any time as well. The other more effective email engagement is when the user, for example, come to the mall or come to the F&B venue, when they connect to the Wi-Fi, you want to engage them immediately because that's the users are already here. You want to push the promotions. You know, the offline promotion, you send them something, they may not come back. Right now, they are already here, already using my Wi-Fi. I want to push my campaign to them right now. So what you do is email campaign, and the recipient, you will say online user or login user. So the login user means the moment they hook onto the Wi-Fi and after they login sign in, we will send them a campaign immediately. So within 5 minutes, the user will receive the campaign. So I'm just going to delete my other test and just to show the campaign for login user. That means upon user login, they will receive a campaign. Welcome to XX Malls. Please check out our promos here. So you can select your template here, whichever you have defined, and you can preview your template as well. So this is what's going to send to the user. So the campaign will just keep on running in running mode. So now I'm just going to act as a user, and let me just disable my data plan and connect to the testing SSID. Connected. I will start to browse. Then you'll be flashed with the landing page. And I'm just going to log in using my Facebook. So once you log in, you go to the system, you can actually check the user login attempts. This is me, my email, Facebook using my email address. So now I should be able to receive an email to this address within 5 minutes. It's not instant. It takes a maximum 5 minutes. The user will receive the email. So I'm just going to check my email. So now I have received the email. Just click on it, and this is exactly the email template or the contents that we try to push to the user. So again, this is for the user who have just come to the place, log into the Wi-Fi, and upon successful login, you push them the promotion, and within 5 minutes, they will receive the campaigns. So the other option is to push the campaign to online user. That means the users who are online connected right now. So just now was login. Just to summarize, there are 3 different email campaign options. One is to push to offline users who are based on user groups. Another is to push on to login users who have just come to the venue and connect to the Wi-Fi and login successful. So the other options who are already connected within the mall premise, and you suddenly have a new promotion or campaign, you want to push this campaign to them. So now I'm just going to try the other option, which is push campaign to the online user who are connected right now. So I'm just going to create another campaign to online users. hurry up now, latest promo here. Okay, so you just choose the template that you have defined, and we're going to push to online users right now. The online push is instant because this is pushing to the users who are already connected right now online. So this is myself again. Just go to check my email, and straight away I receive this online user campaign. So this is how it works for email marketing. It works very similar for SMS marketing as well. So the other option I want to discuss is a redirect URL, because after the user log into the Wi-Fi, we really just get to a status page, or you can actually redirect them to different marketing URL campaigns or surveys or internal promotions. So the redirect, you can have a number of criteria too. You can schedule the redirect at different time of the day or a specific date and time. And you can also redirect to based on user profile. That means if you're a male and female, I redirect you to different marketing URL or different survey page. Or you can also be based on portal. Each portal represents a location. For example, in a large shopping mall or F&B with many remote locations, you will have different portals for each locations. Then you can actually, let's say the user come in from location A, or in a shopping mall, the user come in from level 1 or rooftop bars or whatever. So they will be redirected to a different URL. So that's have more targeted or related promotions to them. So I'm just going to do a test. Say on the main portal, I'm just going to redirect you to yahoo.com or whichever your internal promotion website. So now I'm just going to log in again. So let me just log out. So I'm logged in through the main portal. So straight away, I'm redirected to yahoo.com. This is based on location. You can also based on user profile. That means if you're male or female, when you log in, you are redirected to another different website. So I'm just going to create another redirect for male. For example, I'm just going to bring them to time.com. So now this time I'm just going to be based on male, which is user group instead of location. So I will just log out. And now I'm just going to log in with my other email, because the other email, I have my profile as a male. So when you log in, immediately you go to a different URL or redirected URL. So that's how it works. You can redirect based on gender or based on profiles or user groups, or you can based on portal or locations. And you can also schedule the redirect to happen at different time or different date and time. So it's very flexible. Particularly if you have a large group of locations and many profiles of users that you want to have very specific target campaigns, so everything can be managed from here centrally. That's all for this. Thank you very much for watching.